Welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 2 of the Gimme That Job course, based on the book Gimme That Job, a handbook on getting hired. Today, we'll discuss how to display your portfolio to the public, including potential employers. Let's get to it. Hi, it's me, Connor. As we discussed in the last lesson, showcasing samples of your work can help compensate for any lack of official work experience. Did you know that you can actually make these samples available 24/7 to drum up interest in you or your company? Chapter 2, Lesson 2 of our course suggests two great options: running a simple website and starting a business social media account. These days, domain hosts make it easy to create and maintain a website. Meanwhile, social media tools are for the most part free, and you can start with just one platform. We suggest creating a dedicated professional account, which you can set to public. We also suggest you keep your personal accounts private. Employers often check out candidates, so it's wise to guard your reputation. If you're a freelancer using social media to reach new clients, the key is to post fresh, relevant content consistently, leveraging keywords and hashtags that make your posts easier to find. You want to make your intent crystal clear to the algorithm or the search engine. If you're new to social media algorithms and search engine optimization, don't worry. These are things you can learn over time. For now, here's a simple project for you. Identify topics you could write or talk about to establish yourself as an authority. If you provide a service, plan a sale or two a month to draw in new clients. Pause here to jot down some ideas. Use a marketing calendar to help you stay productive. Start with sales, events, or achievements, then fill in the rest of the month with educational content. Aim for at least 3 posts a week to drive organic traffic. With consistency and discipline, you'll soon be able to establish yourself as an expert and show off a body of work that makes any lack of official employment in the field irrelevant. Well, you survived Chapter 2, Lesson 2. That one was probably a lot to swallow, but I'm confident you'll be able to apply at least a couple of those suggestions to help build your professional reputation. Pick up the handbook on Amazon. It's nice to record your thoughts on old-school pen and paper. Plus, the appendix contains resume samples, a career journal, and a work search record to track your progress. Our next lesson will discuss a quality that plays a critical role in the way we present ourselves. I'll see you there.